This is the brand new Kraton 4S, and in this video we're going to show you how fast this goes right out of the box.
Let's go. Full throttle. Gotta hold it for at least a few seconds. Hit those brakes.
Oh, love that teal. Looks so good. This new version of the Kraton 4S is 16% larger than the previous version. Plus it has higher shock towers, longer shocks, and wider suspension arms. Let's take a look inside. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised to see that. I was not expecting the ability to run two 2S batteries if you want to. I thought you had to have a single 4S battery, so I'm really happy to see that. Yeah. It looks good. It has a tower-to-tower brace in here. I love all the electronics. It says it goes 55 miles an hour. Now that's not going to be right out of the box. That's going to be with a pinion gear swap. It does come with the pinion gear. Oh, I love the extra little Arrma tool in there. I'll have to show you guys. And that is got to be, Abby, that's definitely your favorite colored Arrma yet, right?
Yeah, they call it green, but that's definitely teal, and I love it. Pit crew Nate.
Yes, we are running a 4S 5000 milliamp 100C Gen 2 LiPo battery. I'm very excited to see how fast this goes right out of the box. This is exciting, Abby. This is very exciting. Abby, I still love my tape you got me for Christmas.
I'm glad you like it. Looks good. Speed meter is set to 0. We will have the Kraton 4S and the speed meter linked in the description box below. Clicking that link helps support us and our channel, and we just greatly appreciate it because it doesn't cost you anything more.
All right, Abby, you think this one will take off?
Maybe, but we're gonna start in 50% with the throttle limit. Just ease into it. Get everything trimmed up. Actually, it seems
pretty good, yeah?
Fairly good right out of the box. All right, 50%.
Big 4S vehicle. Oh, wow. That's pretty fast. Okay. We're just easing into it, guys. We always start off at the low speed to see how fast it goes, just in case you want to hand the controls to a kiddo or you're an amateur yourself. Abby, we hit 30 miles an hour right out of the box on the 50% speed setting. That is awesome.
75.
Okay. Now you got to be easy when you hit 75. That's when the speed starts to pick up, and you know, you could pop a wheelie possibly. Everyone wants to see 100% though, so we'll get through 75 pretty quickly. Ooh, it sounds good. What's your guess, Abby?
35.
35. It's got to be closer to 38, 40. Okay, we're just doing it quick here, and then when we hit 100, that's when Abby and I will compete to see who can hit the fastest. This is 39. Hard to see maybe there, guys, but it's 39 miles an hour.
So I win.
That's right, yeah. Okay, Harry, what's your guess?
Say 41.
41, that's Harry's guess.
100% throttle limit.
100%, I think, out of the box, we're definitely gonna hit 47 miles an hour. What's your guess? Harry's at 41.
48.
48, all right. That's quick.
The front was lifted.
Yeah, it's quick. You got to give it a long runway here. Go the full way. Whew, I about missed it. Abby's usually our camera person. I can't believe I about missed that.
Let's
all right.
do one more.
Okay, good. One more. Oh, that front end hopped up a little bit. I heard it. And now we want to see, it says it'll go 55 miles an hour out of the box. That's if you swap out the pinion gear that is included. Let's see how fast we got, Abby, and then I got to take the controls and see if I can beat you. This is a stock run, 52, 52. 52 miles an hour. That's impressive. Good job.
Yeah. So for 52 right out of the box, I think with the pinion, it's gonna hit way over 55.
I agree.
It'll probably hit more close to 60 if you put that pinion in there. Nate, I know you're dying. Don't break my stuff.
Whoa, whoa, don't hand the controller to me like that. Okay, we're just gonna start on 100%. I wanna see if I can beat Abby. Guys, I think it's helping that we're running a 100C discharge battery. A lot of times we will run a 50C discharge battery, so this is a very high-end battery. Linked in the description box below. There's full throttle. Hard to believe this thing is hitting 50 miles an hour right out of the box, but the GPS does not lie. Let's go one more pass and see if I can beat Abby. Let's go. Full throttle. Gotta hold it for at least a few seconds. Hit those brakes. We're gonna let Harry do the honors this time. Harry, you gotta walk out there and let us know how fast did we hit. The GPS meter is on the back of the car. What did we hit, Harry?
53.
Oh! You're lying. You're lying. Oh, you did. I just warmed it up for you. I warmed it up.
Sometimes that does happen when the battery gets warmed up and the parts get warmed up. Sometimes we hit higher speeds.
Not fair.
Yeah. That's Harry. He's one of our good friends up here, and he is very impressed, asking all the right questions. He wanted to know how much is it and all that good stuff.
I think he's ready to buy it.
Yes.
Well, this was super awesome. The speed surprised me.
Me too.
It hit 53 miles an hour. I hit 52. But that is impressive, especially because it's saying with that pinion it'll hit 55. Obviously it's gonna hit well over 55, no questions asked. I'm so impressed. I love the new color scheme, the paint scheme. It looks sweet. This will be linked down in the description box below for you guys to check out. If you decide you want to buy it or you need other RC car parts and you want to pick it up, click our link. That still helps support us and we just appreciate it so much.
Also, hang on, Abby. Give this video a like if you could. You guys can hear it in Abby's voice. She's super congested. It hit me a little bit too, but she's so stuffed up. For her to get in front of the camera and do a video like this for you guys, please give this video a like.
We're gonna take this to Bash Mountain and see how high we can ramp it. This is gonna be a beast over there and so much fun, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that content. For an awesome day, just beautiful weather, and for getting us out here with an awesome RC car, I wanna thank God. Also wanna say a huge thanks to our patron family members. Your all support is so important to us and it just means so much. I'll have one of our favorite Arrma bashing videos popping up right about now for you guys to check out. We'll see you over there. Bye!